Good day, Revivers! I'm Dr. Lin here at Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy. We're excited to bring to you all another product review video. We've always been big on trying to find price-friendly, practical things that you can use at home or that are healthy for you. So today, we're going to talk about this company called Moft. And Moft is a company that has dedicated its research and development and selling products to make compact stands easy to use for your tech devices, whether you're traveling or at home. I've been big on this company since last year. They were able to send me a laptop stand that I use, I swear, like every day for the last year. And I've written blogs and I've made a video to really complement what they've done for that research and development and the ergonomics and the safety. I'm big on that. I'm big on habits. One of our biggest videos about walking and walking correctly. So imagine just about sitting correctly and then using the right products to help you, especially right now during this COVID time. You need the right things to take care of you for the long term. So today we're going to focus on two products, the Moft Z and the Moft X. And we'll talk about that real soon. Before we get started, I wanted to clarify that these products were sent to us by Moft. But I'm not required to make a video for them or anything. I just want to give you my full, undisclosed, unfiltered, candid opinion about them. So I wouldn't be making any of these videos about products if I didn't use them myself or believe in their use and how beneficial they are to you all. So let's get back and let's talk about those Moft products. So let's talk about one of the newer products on the Moft website. It's called the Moft Z. It's really neat because it's a 5-in-1 laptop stand for all of your at-home needs. I emphasize laptop because it can literally be on your lap. The stand is able to be folded in all kinds of ways to fit a variety of your own needs. It's able to fold into a flatter 25-degree stand so you can comfortably work on your lap, like I said. There's a 35 and 45-degree option, which brings that screen up to eye level and reduces that strain on your neck and your head and maybe even reducing headaches. This is also great for being slightly better positioned when you're lounging in your bed watching Netflix. There's also a 60-degree option. It's pretty steep. You're definitely going to have to use an external keyboard. I highly recommend it. But it's a great option if you plan to use your laptop's monitor as a second monitor. It also works great with tablets and holds it upright. Lastly, the standing desk configuration is this product's main selling point. It can be unfolded to create a standing desk for at-home workstation. This lifts your laptop 9.5 inches off the desk, so you don't have to spend a crazy amount of money to use an adjustable table or need one. It can also hold up to 22 pounds, which is great for some of those heavy gaming laptops. The best part about the Moft X is how much you can get for such a compact design, all these varieties. And then, guess what? It folds up really easily into something smaller and compact. You can slip it in your backpack or your laptop bag and then go. All right, the next product is the Moft X. It's a cell phone accessory that is a great inexpensive gift for your friends and family who use their cell phones all the time. It's an adhesive phone stand, and if it's flat and flush against your phone and can be unfolded to create a stand. The stand can be put in two different positions, upright or on its side. It's also got a neat little hidden slot for credit cards. And then you can loop your fingers through and have a safe way to hold your phone and do selfies. You can also order magnets separately so you can stick it on a wall, on a refrigerator, or wherever's comfortable for your own needs. I'm really enjoying this product because I love watching my Dodgers on the cell phone, so go Dodgers. So what's neat about this stand is it's flush and it's thin, and different than some of these pop sockets or rings that leave a bulge in your pocket. You can just slide it in and pull it out, and it doesn't really feel like bulky at all. So it just adds on, and it pretty much is another connection to your cell phone. So you can see I'm big on Moft products because the research and development is all about saving us from chronic and repetitive injuries. I'm really big on all the new stuff they're coming out with, and it's so cool that at least they get to send this to us. So you can check out their products, especially with the holidays around the corner. They're relatively inexpensive and very thoughtful, and at least anything else, like you can use it at home for yourself. So check them out at moft.us. They also sent me a referral code where I have no vested interest. I'm not making anything on it, but you get to save a couple bucks off their product. So, anything will do is the way I think, if you can save a little bit. So if you like what we're doing, especially with this cool product stuff, people send us products, and if I like it, I want to talk about it. I want to share it with the world. You can also leave us any feedback. If you don't like some of these things or have some critiques, please let me know so I can always improve. Our subscriptions are up. We'd love for you to subscribe, and it's great because that helps generate more traffic to us and lets us know, gives us great feedback about how to improve and how to make the world and our lives better. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.